Hello?
Victoria's boyfriend?
Excuse me?
You're Luke, right? You're Victoria's main squeeze? Hubba hubba.
Yeah, this is Luke. Who is this?
My name is Alan.
Smile up on my face, I'm like, oh, yes, I'm blessed. Yes, I'm blessed.
Your house, you know, and all the doohickeys and the alarm thingamajiggers.
Yeah.
Yeah. Listen, I'm just gonna lay it out there, or I would say I'm gonna keep it 100.
I'm busy over here. Could you get to your point, please?
Yeah, okay, well, you weren't home, but I was putting in a security patch for your system, and I took the footage, and oh, wowie zowie. I saw you doing the tonsil tango with some cute little blonde last Friday on your door.